You can move.
Now, what's your name?
We are Tim and Raylyn Harrison, and we are part of the Backyard Blues contest.
We actually have gifts for you guys.
You do? Wow.
That's awesome. We got gifts because we've been getting lots of support and lots of people coming to your guys' site for the
We have some, our backyard is called Dirt Pile, so we got some dirt for you.
Hopefully this is legal.
Oh my gosh!
See, here, we've made t-shirts.
Oh my gosh.
Specially made t-shirts
look at the
for
t-shirt,
you.
look at the t-shirt.
There you go.
Oh! Is that ever sweet?
There you go. This is our daughter. She turns 1 on Monday.
Hi. What's her name?
Her name is Zoe.
Zoe.
Zoe's 1 year old on Monday.
Zoe's 1 year old on Monday. She was born last year right on Father's Day.
Really?
Which was an awesome treat for us.
And
so
what's this?
Here's
Don't hold that.
here, I'm having trouble here.
All up one side for you. There you go.
No bribing, but please be aware of our do what it takes to win attitude t-shirt.
That's right. Brad, we have almost the same t-shirt for you, but surprise, surprise, it says Brad.
Brad,
there you go.
Look at that.
And then on the back, because we have a face, we went all decided just to use our Facebook network.
Oh yeah.
So we've had over 2,000 people invited.
Is that ever
We got over
awesome?
300
Check it
people
out. This is
voting.
why they brought the dirt pile.
Who made those?
Right,
I
my
did.
wife made
You are
those.
This is all
awesome.
edible.
It is.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just
it
didn't
is.
bring spoons, so
We don't need spoons.
Okay.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Good.
Oh
All right,
my
and
gosh.
now you got to kick it through the
Yeah,
uprights.
yeah,
guys.
let's do it.
Don't worry about me. Okay.
Alright guys, so that was after our first meeting with Brad and Heather. It went way better than we expected. We didn't know if we'd even get to give them our gifts or anything like that, or how that would work, but I think it went quite well.
Yeah, I think it went very well. And I think they might even eat the dessert.
Yeah, which kind of surprised us, so it's a good thing we didn't do anything harmful to it. So Brad and Heather, if you're watching this, hopefully you enjoyed it.
Yes. And nice meeting you.
Yes, and fans, keep posted. Another video tomorrow.
Say hi. Say hi. I love Big Dog. Yay.